Ever wondered how those intricate Christmas cookie decorations are made? Imagine the delight on your loved ones' faces as you present them with your own beautifully decorated cookies. The process may seem daunting, but it's simpler than you think. Stay tuned to learn the art of Christmas cookie decorating. Start your cookie decorating journey with the basics: icing and sugar dusting. Preparing simple icing is a breeze. Just mix confectioner's sugar with a little milk until smooth. Use this to adorn your cookies. Then sprinkle some sugar while it's still wet for an added sparkle. Remember, patience is key here. Let the icing dry completely before moving on to the next step. This will ensure a crisp finish. With these techniques, you can create eye-catching cookies with minimal effort. Ready for a challenge? Let's dive into piping and fondant decorations. First, whip up your icing until it's smooth and airy, perfect for piping. For fondant, knead it until it's pliable and ready to mold. Now grab your piping bag, steady your hands, and let your creativity flow, crafting intricate designs. When it comes to fondant, think in 3 dimensions. Shape it into festive figures or elegant embellishments. These techniques may require some practice, but the results are worth it. Now that you've mastered the basics, it's time to mix and match techniques. You could try pairing icing with sugar dusting for a snowy effect, or use piping and fondant to create 3-dimensional designs. Mix sugar dusting with fondant for a soft, dreamy look. The combinations are endless, and the results can be truly unique. This is your chance to experiment, to push boundaries, and to find your own style. Remember, the only limit is your creativity. You're now equipped with the knowledge to create stunning Christmas cookies. From icing to fondant, mixing techniques, and more, you're ready to bring your festive treats to life. Give it a whirl, share your creations, and let your creativity shine. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more baking tips and tricks.